Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila. Mina ngicela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ucindezele ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje yokhipha ngisho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole zonke-ke iy'ndaba esikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje. So ngakho nje lapho ucindezele ibhathini subscribe button njengamanje-ke udaba okulethele lona namhlanje ke uFikile Mbalula laphana kusedala phi laphana-ke wazifaka zonke-ke laphana uJacob Zuma wacacisa nokuthi-ke uJacob Zuma ngabe usayimemba yini ye-ANC, kodwa ngifuna ukuthi mina wezwa ngami-ke udlalela-ke ividiyo-ke uyizwele wena uFikile Mbalula usecela kuwe laphana ukuthi masizile-ke le vidiyo lena-ke ungene ema-comment section ufube asicabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke musicinza nebhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti elimnyama-ke leli-ke nawo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
With it and name it a party. He did not even try to be sophisticated, colors and everything gone. Now here we are. We are supposed to deal with this matter and fold our arms and leave it like that. We can't do that. There's no self-respecting party that can do that.
I think actually my question is around his leadership within the ANC.
No, we have clarified that. He is suspended. Zuma is not a member of the ANC. We have clarified. I called a press conference. NEC suspended Zuma. Suspended him summarily. He's facing disciplinary processes. It is that disciplinary process that will tell a story of whether he stands or is actually expelled or what. From where I'm standing and in the decision we have announced, it has not changed. He's not a member. That is why he's doing what he says and he does. There's no member of the ANC that can campaign, attack the party the way he does. He has actually even now, solidified and make it that it sink that he himself is no longer a member. He actually, even when he sleeps on the name ANC, says, I've been here for the longest of time. Sorry, let me come back. I'm Mkhonto and all of that and so on. So he has accepted his fate. The old man has accepted his fate, and which is really unfortunate to us that he has taken that direction of working against the ANC.